Okay, let's see how this the swirls turned out in this lather jacket soap that I made. Well, that is very cool. I like this texture-like result of that swirl. I like this look of like it's some kind of granite or marble. This particular soap started to rise, which means you have this granular effect, but I think it works with this one because it has that coarse look to it. And this one looks like sort of a starry night kind of thing. It really is a soap that males tend to go for a bit, in my experience selling it at the market. So I think it has a look that would be appealing for the guys too. Just what I kind of aimed for with the colors. And the black areas are the smaller amount of color. In other words, I used a little more blue and white, and that's because I didn't really want the soap to leave as much of black residual when you use it. Oh, a big old helicopter just went overhead, if you wanted to know what that sound was. I really like how this ended up giving you some gray areas when the black mixed with the white, but that there's some really dark patches like that. It kind of gives you more bang for the buck, where you have really used 3 colors but you end up with a third because some of the colors have mixed in a good way. And it almost looks like I gave this a good spoon swirl before letting it cure, and I really didn't. It just kind of happened on its own. Like a galaxy formation. That's my last cut. And nice size bars. I cut them kind of more thickly. So that is another batch of leather jacket, and I hope you enjoyed the making of and the cutting of this soap. And I've got another one to cut as well. So see you all real soon. Okay, bye for now.